Which digital compass for your car is actually worth your time and money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the right fit. Today, we're uncovering the top 5 options that can truly guide your journeys. Product number 1, Koihud Heads-Up Display. First up, we have the Koihud Heads-Up Display. Priced at just $15.99, this product caught my attention because of its sleek design and impressive tech specs. If you want a reliable heads-up display for a safer driving experience, this is worth a serious look. This device uses advanced GPS technology and connects to up to 32 satellites, which means you get real-time speed tracking with a refresh rate of 10 Hz. That's crucial if you're someone who values accuracy while driving. Plus, the clear display projects directly into your line of sight, so you can keep your eyes on the road rather than looking down at your dashboard. It also features an auto brightness adjustment, making it easy to read in both bright sunlight and at night. Now, I should mention that some users pointed out a small issue where the GPS signal can be interrupted in tunnels or heavy rain. Here's the thing though, if you mainly drive in urban areas or on well-maintained roads, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you drive frequently and want an affordable way to enhance safety on the road. Skip this one if you need something that works perfectly in all weather conditions. Overall, for under $20, this heads-up display offers excellent value. Now, if the price of the Koihud impressed you, the next option is a bit pricier but comes loaded with features. Product number 2, Sinotrack Digital GPS Speedometer. Next, we have the Sinotrack Digital GPS Speedometer at $31.33. This caught my eye because it has a large 5.5-inch screen that displays all the essential data, making it easier to keep track of your driving metrics. If you want a multifunctional display that alerts you when you're exceeding speed limits, this one is worth considering. The Sinotrack is packed with features such as overspeed alerts and a fatigue driving reminder, which can be lifesavers on long trips. The automatic brightness adjustment means you won't have to fiddle with settings while driving, ensuring you can see your data clearly at all times. It also has a dual-core processor for smooth operation, which is crucial for real-time updates. However, some users mentioned that it can lose power data when the engine turns off, which might be frustrating if you're tracking long-term mileage. But let's be real. If you're just looking for immediate data during your trips, this shouldn't hurt your experience too much. This is perfect for those who want an all-in-one speedometer with safety alerts. Skip this if you need constant mileage tracking when the vehicle is off. It's a solid investment for the features provided. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who are looking for a simple but effective compass. Product number 3, Stakul Adjustable Car Compass. Coming in at just $5.88. The Stakul Adjustable Car Compass is a budget-friendly option worth mentioning. I was drawn to its basic functionality and night vision feature. If you're looking for something straightforward to help you navigate unfamiliar territory, this is definitely a contender. This compass provides basic directional guidance, making it a handy reference tool for road trips. Its adjustable spherical design allows you to position it for easy reading, which is a nice touch. The night vision capability means you can still check your direction during late-night drives, which is often overlooked in other products. However, a few users reported that the accuracy can be off when driving near large metallic objects or during sharp turns. Now, here's the thing. If you're primarily using it for rough navigation rather than precise directions, this compass should serve you just fine. This is perfect for casual drivers or adventurers wanting a no-fuss navigation tool. Skip this if you need precise navigation or if you're frequently driving in urban environments. For under $6, it's a practical buy. If the Stakul's limitations worried you, the next product might be a bit more high-tech. Product number 4, Mr. Car-Tool M60 Digital HUD. Now let's check out the Mr. Car-Tool M60 Digital HUD, priced at $38.69. What stood out to me was its multi-functionality. It's not just a speedometer, but also monitors tilt angles and more. If you want a comprehensive device that covers various driving metrics, this could be a great choice. This gadget supports 8 different functions, including altitude and coordinates, which makes it super versatile. Plus, It alerts you if your vehicle's tilt exceeds 40 degrees, which can be crucial for maintaining safety on rough terrain. The clear display layout makes data easy to interpret at a glance, and it's relatively simple to set up. On the downside, some users found the installation instructions a bit lacking, which led to confusion. But honestly, if you're someone who enjoys tech and doesn't mind tinkering a bit, you'll likely figure out pretty quickly. This is perfect for tech-savvy drivers wanting all-in-one data at their fingertips. Skip this one if you prefer something plug-and-play with no setup hassle. For its capabilities, it's priced fairly well. Now, if you're looking for something that combines advanced features with ease of use, the next product might just be the right fit. Product number 5, Dock Braces HUD Heads Up Display. Last but not least, we have the Dock Braces HUD Heads Up Display for $24.99. I was impressed by its combination of features, including a built-in compass and customizable display. If you're after a user-friendly, comprehensive system for your car, this one deserves your attention. The Dock Braces HUD shows real-time speed and direction. Plus, it has dual safety alerts for overspeeding and fatigue reminders, which can make a real difference on long drives. The GPS module connects to multiple satellites for accurate positioning, and the auto brightness adjustment is a game changer for visibility in different lighting conditions. However, a few users have mentioned that the clarity of the display can suffer under direct sunlight, which can be a bit frustrating. But let's be honest, with all the other features, it still stands out as a great value product. This is perfect for those who want a comprehensive yet affordable heads-up display. Skip this if you need absolute clarity in bright conditions. For what it offers, it's definitely worth the investment. So there you have it. We've covered the Koei HUD heads-up display, the Sinotrack speedometer, the Stakol compass, the Mr. Cartool M60, and the Dock Braces HUD. Each of these products has its strengths and a few weaknesses, so depending on your needs, one will surely fit the bill. Whatever you choose, I hope it makes your driving experience that much better.